A recent change in how laptops and computers work mean that the focus has come on energy saving electricity. And what this can mean is that your computer might not always be running at the fastest speed that you want it to when you're working. I'm going to open Task Manager here on my PC and have a look at the performance here of the CPU and the base speed of the CPU. And you can see it's running around 1.7 gigahertz or so. However, this CPU is capable of running much faster, and you might find on your computer when you're plugged in the office using your laptop that you want to be able to use it at the maximum speed. Well, here's how you do that. Right click on your start button and go to settings, over to your system, and here are your power settings. Now there's an option here for additional power settings. You click on that and you can see here now that we're on balance, which is the default power setting in Windows. If you switch it to high performance, you will see now that the speed of my CPU has jumped to 3.5, 3.1 gigahertz. And what that means is that I have said to this computer, use the maximum amount of performance all the time on my CPU when I'm plugged into the electricity. This is the purpose of the power settings in Windows. If I switch it back to balanced again, which is half battery, half mains, you'll see that the CPU drops down in speed again.